Journey to the Moon, the first adventure. A dream in the sky. Imagine looking up at the night sky. The moon shines brightly, a big ball of light. People have always dreamed of going there. This dream became true many years ago. But how did it happen? Let's take a journey into the past. The beginning of space adventure. In the 1960s, the world was different. The Cold War was on. America and the Soviet Union were in a race. This race was not just on the ground, it was also in space. Both countries wanted to be the first to reach the moon. It was a big challenge. At this time, NASA, the American Space Agency, worked hard. They built rockets and trained astronauts. The goal was clear: land on the moon. Many people were curious and excited. They wanted to know if humans could walk on the moon. The countdown begins. On July 16, 1969, a special rocket named Apollo 11 was ready. The rocket was tall and powerful. 3 brave astronauts were inside: Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. People gathered to watch. The countdown began, and then the engines roared. Blast off! As Apollo 11 flew into the sky, everyone felt excitement and hope. But this was only the beginning. The journey to the moon would take time, and there were many unknowns. What would happen next? The voyage through space. The astronauts traveled through space for 4 days. They saw stars, planets, and dark space. Collins stayed in the command module. Meanwhile, Armstrong and Aldrin prepared to land on the moon in the lunar module. As they got closer, they could finally see the moon's surface. When it was time to land, Armstrong had to be careful. He guided the module with skill. There were rocks and craters everywhere. Then finally, they touched the moon's surface. They had done it. They were on the moon. First steps on the moon. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong opened the module door. He took his first step onto the moon. He said the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." These words are remembered by many. They show how special that moment was. Aldrin followed Armstrong outside. The ground was soft and dusty. They bounced around like they were on a trampoline. It was a new world, full of mystery. What else was out there? A surprising discovery. Many people think the moon is very quiet. But here is a surprising fact. The moon has a history of water. Yes, there were signs of water on the moon's surface. This means that life may have existed here long ago. This changes how we think about the moon. Scientists study moon rocks to learn more. These rocks tell stories about the moon's past, and they connect to Earth too. How did people not know this before? Time to go home. After exploring, Armstrong and Aldrin prepared to return. They said goodbye to the moon and climbed back into the lunar module. Collins had been waiting for them. The 3 astronauts were all together again. They traveled back to Earth, feeling like heroes. Apollo 11 splashed down in the ocean on July 24th, 1969. Many boats rushed to greet them. The mission was a success, and their names would be remembered forever. A new chapter of space exploration. The moon landing changed everything. It opened new doors for space exploration. After Apollo 11, NASA sent more missions to the moon. They learned a lot about the moon and space. People everywhere were inspired to dream big. Astronauts began to explore Mars and other planets. Space stations were built and technology advanced. But the moon will always be special, the place where humanity first stepped beyond Earth. The legacy of Apollo 11. Today, the story of Apollo 11 lives on. It reminds us that with courage and teamwork, we can achieve great things. The moon now has flags, footprints, and science waiting for more explorers. Kids look up at the moon and wonder if they too can go there one day. The journey to the moon is not just a story. It is a spark that ignites imaginations and dreams. What do you dream about? When you look at the moon, what do you feel? Do you dream of space adventures? Have you ever thought about what it would be like to walk on the moon? Everyone has their dreams. It's exciting to think about the future of exploration.